Okay, here's a little don't oh stupid. Um, Once you blur this, and this has been blurred horizontally, all I have to do is merge visible on a new layer, hit Command T, and rotate this thing 90 degrees. There's no sense taking this back through the path blur, and you get your blends that work in both directions. And Command 1 just so you can see. Is this working? I don't know. But I will tell you that I strobed it 4 times rather than 3 because I was trying something different. Back here, if I turn this off, this is what I had that I discovered through a blend mode. Okay, and I thought this was kind of cool and would make a really nice pattern. I don't really like this little extra 1 pixel here. I don't know what's going on with that. But I do kind of like what we're getting here. Oh, when I turn that off, that's interesting too. Okay, so all food for thought, experimentation, mistakes, learning from your mistakes, sharing your mistakes, embarrassing yourself in public, and who the heck cares? You're an artist. You're discovering things. You're making it up as you go along, and you're keeping track of everything. And don't be a bonehead like me. Save your work so you don't lose it accidentally.